Hello my friends and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading. I hope you are enjoying your day wherever you're at, and if you are not enjoying it, I'm about to make it a little bit better. Also, I'm happy to announce that it looks like I'm going to be hitting 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube over the weekend. Thank you so much for everyone who has stuck around on my journey. To new viewers, welcome. As promised, I will be releasing my free Telegram trading channel over the weekend. So be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can stick around and see some of the great trades that we're going to be making. So in today's video, I'm going to be hosting a 30-minute trading strategy. It's good for crypto, Forex, and stocks, but I'm going to be showing it with the US dollar Japanese yen trading pair. Also, be sure to stick around to the very end of the video, and I'm going to show you how to set up trade alerts using this strategy. So this strategy does use the Heikin-Ashi candles. Keep in mind though that Heikin-Ashi candles are not an accurate representation for price action and should be used more as an indicator as opposed to actual price levels. If you're not comfortable with using the Heikin-Ashi candles, there is an indicator that you can use that shows the price for the Heikin-Ashi candles as well as the regular price. So we're going to go up here and click on indicators. The very first indicator that we're going to be pulling up is the extreme trend. The second indicator that we'll be using is the QQE MT4 Glasmod. Alright, so we just got two indicators. So that means that the free version of Tradingview should allow you to use this strategy. Also, I'm going to be hosting these strategies in upcoming videos using backtesting software. So you can see how these strategies grow and how accurate they are over longer periods of time. If that's something that you think you would like, be sure to smash the like button on today's video. It's really helping me grow my channel here on YouTube, and I always enjoy making content for you guys. So for the settings, we're going to go to X trend. All we're going to do for the X trend is we're going to change the colors. So color 1 is going to be green, and the second one is going to be red. Green, red, green, red. Also, this is optional, but typically I end up removing the 200 EMA on this strategy. All right, so the very first thing that we're going to be looking for a long position, we want three things to appear. First of all, this green triangle needs to be showing up. This is going to be our buy signal. After this occurs, this line right here should be green, and the price action should be trailing above the line as well. If you can see that the candle is halfway or partially on this line, I would avoid the trade. After that, we're going to come down here to make sure that the QQE is in the green. So if by the close of the candle, this is not in the green, we're going to avoid the trade. We can see here that this would have been a profitable trade, but we can't bend the rules with our strategies because eventually it's going to wind up putting us inside of a losing trade. We do not want that to happen. All right, so we can see right here, we have our green triangle appearing. Our green buy signal is appearing. We can see that the line on the X trend is in the green, and we also have the QQE MT4 is in the green also. So we're going to take our long position, wait for the close of the candle. We're going to put our stop loss right around the green line. So for this strategy, the first thing I do is I set it at the 1.5 risk reward ratio, and this is where I take partial profit. So paying attention to this trade, our exit point is going to be whenever this blue line crosses out from the green line. So whenever this line right here appears individual to itself, you're going to exit the trade even if it hasn't hit your profit target. So as you can see, if you would have done this, we would have hit break even on this trade. But remember, we do not always know what's going to happen in trading. Losing is inevitable, so we're going to focus on losing as little as humanly possible. Right, so we have another buy signal appearing, and we can see that all the conditions of the trade have been met, so we're going to take our next long position. Again, set the stop loss a few points around the X trend. If you're not comfortable with the space between the stop loss, what you could do is set it a few points below the previous close of the bar on the Heikin-Ashi candles, that is. As you can see, with a 1.5 risk reward ratio, we did hit our first profit target. So at that point, we're going to move our stop loss up, and we're going to hold on to the remainder of the trade whenever the blue line exits from this level. So you can see here, even with the regular candles activated, we still ended up hitting our price target. In fact, the price target ended up hitting it sooner right here at this level. Right, so we're going to take our first short position. We can see that a sell signal has appeared, and we can also see that the X trend is in the red. So at the close of the candle, we're going to set our short position. We'll set our stop loss right at the X trend. You can see that the 1.5 risk reward ratio, we hit our profit target, and we're going to switch over to the regular candles. And you can see here, even with the regular candles, we end up hitting our profit target. Again, you don't want to hold on to the trade any bit longer than when this blue line begins to exit. If you're a beginner using this trading strategy, I recommend giving it a try on just the regular candles until you get a hang of using the Heikin-Ashi candles as well. Also, never risk more than 1 to 3% on each one of these trades. For the higher probability setups, you can risk more in the trade because there's a greater likelihood of the trade winning. So for setting up trade alerts, what we're going to do is we're going to right click on one of these arrows. We're going to click on add alert on X trend. After that, we're going to click on once per bar close, and we're going to set up 2 trading alerts, one for long and one for short. That way, whenever one of these buy or sell signals appears, you'll get alerted on your device. So I have my mobile phone connected to Tradingview. Anytime one of the terms for the strategy appears, I'll get a notification so that I can see if I can take the trade or not. Thank you for watching. Trade smart, trade good,